In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Xero Invoice template. This process is essential for tailoring your invoices to fit your brand and ensuring they reflect your business's unique identity. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to access the Xero dashboard. Head over to your internet browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard that you use to manage your accounts. It's the central hub of Xero, and from here, we can access all the features available in your account. Now that you're on the dashboard, take a look at the top panel. Here you should see the name of your business or organization. Click on Demo Company Global to enter into the specific company profile you want to work on. This feature is particularly helpful if you manage multiple businesses with Xero and need a seamless way to switch between accounts. Once you're in the demo company, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu and click on Settings. The Settings area is where all the magic happens. It holds the keys to customizing everything about your invoices and other important account details. Next, we want to find the Invoice Settings option. Clicking on this will take you to the Invoice Customization panel. This is where you can view all available invoice templates. These templates are what you will modify to create your tailored invoice design. In the Invoice Settings, you'll see a list of existing templates. To customize one first, click to highlight your preferred template. This step selects the template that you wish to edit. You can preview the template on this page to ensure it's the right one for your needs. Once you've highlighted the right template, look for the Edit option. Clicking on Edit will open up design and content options for your template. You can change details like the layout, add your business logo, and adjust the information displayed on each invoice, such as payment terms, contact information, and other customizable fields. Take your time to explore each option and see how these changes impact the look and feel of your template. Finally, after you've made your desired adjustments, don't forget to click Save. This ensures all your hard work is stored and your customized template is ready to be used for future invoicing. Saving your changes will apply them immediately, so be sure everything looks just the way you want it before exiting this section. That's it. You've just successfully customized a Xero invoice template. Tailoring your invoices to match your business branding not only makes your communications